Okay, hi, so this is the breakdown of the whole flash mob. Yeah, okay, let's do this thing.
Okie dokie. So it starts off and it's like really slow. They're not really singing, they're just talking. They're like, the sun goes down, da 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 da. Okay, and so like Ariane or someone is going to be over my music and play this song, but like the volume's going to be like extra loud. So people aren't going to notice, and we're just going to be walking around like everything's normal. So be either by the library, the amphitheater, outside like the cafeteria, so that when you like be there at the very beginning of lunch, and we'll get this song like played, and then just like once it starts, like start walking around. So it'll be like, sun goes down, the stars come out, all that counts is here and now. We're like walking, we're kind of forming like a semicircle. So if this is where they have the ticket booth, we'll kind of be like semicircled around us so people can see us from all angles. Something, universe will never be the same. You have to be in the arc by the time he says same. And then be like, I'm glad you came, I'm glad you came. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, if your screen just went black, is it still?
It's fine.
Okay. So you hit this pose and you hold it for like a little bit, and then it starts that kind of like Latin music, and you step clap. So step on your right foot, clap, left, clap, right, clap, left, clap. You gotta get really into it, have a lot of fun with it, and you keep going until the lyrics start. And then the first side that you grab or like reach on is to the right. So you reach, he says, you put a spell on me, and then there's like two beats, and you go out, snap, and then he says, you hit me like the sky, fell on me, done. I decided you look, and then he says, well on me. You step with your right forward, step, touch, step, back, well on me. And then he says,
Turn the lights off.
no. He says, let's go somewhere
right.
no one else can see. You and me, turn the lights off now. And you kick with your right. So just to recap, so you cast a spell on me, out, snap, repeat, right, reach, left, reach, out, snap, step with your right, well on me, let's go somewhere no one else can see,
pause,
you and me,
left, pause.
so right first, then left, and then turn the lights out now, and you kick with your right. And then this part you step, I'm just going to do the legs first. Step right, together, left, together, right, together, left, together,
Then run back.
and back. Now we'll do it with our arms. Turn the lights off now. Now take me by the hand me another drink. Drink it if you can. Can you spend a little time? Same feet, slip away. Stay with me, I can make. Stay with me, I can make. So we're going to go over that again. You step with your right, reach, in, right, left, run back on drink it if you can. Can you spend a little? Same feet, right?
So left arm up, and then with your right hand you make like a pointer, and then you hit it like a time.
Because it's time. Time, right, touch, left, touch, back, slipping away. Stay with me, I can make you glad you came. So when he says make, you can like throw your arms up like what? And then you do pump, throw. And then on the sun goes down, use your right hand to point all the way over. Sun goes down, stars come out with your left. And then he says, all that counts. You cross your right in front of your left. All that counts. And you do like a what again, but kind of like facing like more this side. Is
To the
here
left
and
side.
now.
So you like lean to the left.
Yeah. Here and now. Yeah? Okay, so the sun goes down, the stars come out. Right and across, throw, here and now. Then it says my universe, both your arms go up, 5 fingers, like jazz hands I guess. Sorry. My universe, and then on Never Be the Same, you go right, left, right.
So you point your fingers like point, and then go.
Never be the same. And then you reach your right hand out first. We didn't do that in the video, but right first. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. And then it doesn't really matter the feet on this part. I kind of do step touch again, but you can just like run forward. But you just gotta go fist pumping with the music. So do 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 do. And then you switch arms. So right.
So you
first.
start right and then you switch to the left.
Yeah, and then raise the roof with both arms. Do 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 do. Then you turn around over your right shoulder.
You just run.
Run back so you can face this side first. And it's a repeat. You just switch the sides. So he says spell on me again, but left arm first.
Left arm first.
So reach left, down, right, down, out, snap, spell on me, you hit me like the sky, fell on me, sorry. Oh, sorry, okay. So, yeah, so we just ran back and over and over and over. You cast a spell on me, you hit me like the sky, fell on me, and I decided you look. Step touch again, but left first this time.
So left first, front,
Touch, right, touch, well on me. Let's go somewhere no one
Push
else
left,
can see you
pause,
with me.
right,
Turn the lights
pause,
off.
and then you just kick with the right again.
Yeah. So let's go over that again. So you just did well on me. Let's go somewhere no one, and that was left, right, left, right, left. Push to the left this time first. You and me, turn the lights off now. Kick with your right again. And then it's literally the same repeat.
It's literally the same. So
Take me by the hand, hand you another drink. Drink it if you can. Can you spend a little time? Time is slipping away. Stay with me, I can make. Stay with me, I can make you glad you came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you do 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 left do 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 raise the roof do 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 run. This is where we get the crowd to realize that this whole awesome dance is because of this girl. So we're like, Roshi, Roshi,
and I'll like do some random thing in the middle. I guess I don't know yet.
And then we just keep doing that until it makes like the
sun goes down.
And it like just it like says the chorus the same way it does in the beginning, like really slow. So after we're like Roshi, 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 it like the music goes and then it repeats the same thing. So you walk in slow motion, like we're still in our arc, like that semicircle in front of the ticket booth, the whole time. So like we all start walking slow motion out in different directions. So sun goes down, stars come out, all that counts here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. And then on the second one he says,
glad
you came. And then you hit this original, yeah, we're total thugs pose.
Yeah.
And then we can all be like, vote for Roshi! We're gonna have, like some people, not everyone, but like some people are gonna have like vote for Roshi shirts. And
yeah,
it's gonna be awesome. Yeah.
So this will either be like on Wednesday or Friday. It's not like concrete day yet because like Casey's on Wednesday, so I don't know if that's gonna work because I don't want to like disrupt classes, you know. So it'll most likely be on Friday, and I'll have, if it's on Friday, then it'll be like a rehearsal on Tuesday and Thursday during 7th block. And yeah, so be there and watch this video and learn it, and yes, please. Thank you. Bye.